Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your GK class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your GK class. So class, in our previous session, as you all know, that we were doing unit number 6, that is arts and music. Okay, so before the examinations we were on unit number 6. Okay, so today I'm going to start, or I'm going to continue with the same unit number 6. Okay, so the next topic that we are going to start from that unit is given at page number 39, golden voices of bygone era. Okay, so this is the next topic that I am going to start in the today's session. So all of you kindly open your books at page number 39, that is golden voices of bygone era. Okay, so open your books class at page number 36. The page number is 39. Okay, that is unit number 6. Topic is golden voices of bygone era. That is given at page number 39. Golden voices of bygone era. Okay. So first of all, what is the meaning of the topic golden voices of bygone era? इसका मतलब क्या है? So the meaning of this topic is बेटा, देखिए आपको पता है हमारी दुनिया में in the world there are various famous singers. ओके, बहुत सारे फेमस सिंगर्स थे, हैं और आगे भी होंगे. But there are certain people, it is being said that they have golden voices. उनकी एक अद्भुत आवाज़, उनका जो गला है, जो गाना है, जो सुर है, they just sing melodious song that is popular since their times till today, and people love hearing these songs in their voices. Okay, so here the picture of some of the great singers are given of the previous era. तो पहले ज़माने के कुछ बड़े ही महान सिंगर्स की यहाँ पे पिक्चर्स दी हुई हैं बेटा, एंड वी हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई द पिक्चर्स of these great singers and write their names. Okay, so we have to identify the pictures of these great artists, singers and write their name. So here the heading is identify and name these legendary singers. You may choose your answers from the help box. So here as help box is also given, we can choose our answer from here and then write the name. So I can't draw the pictures of these great singers. So generally I am just going to write the names of these great singers one by one by identifying their picture. So the first picture that you can see in your book, this is the first picture. Who is she? She is MS Subbulakshmi. So she is MS Subbulakshmi. Okay, she is also one of the greatest singer of the previous era. Okay, and she has a great contribution in the music industry as well. So her name is MS Subbulakshmi. तो लिखिए फर्स्ट पिक्चर में किसकी पिक्चर दी हुई है? दैट इज MS Subbu SU double BU Subbulakshmi LAKSHMI. That is MS Subbulakshmi. This is the first picture of MS Subbulakshmi. Moving next to the second one. The second picture is one of the very famous singers of 70s and 80s. Actually not 70s, 80s. 80s, 60s और 70s के बहुत ही फेमस सिंगर की ही ये फोटो दी हुई है. Okay, so who is he? He is Bhimsen Joshi. Who is he? He is Bhimsen Joshi. So second picture is of, this is the second picture, and he is Bhimsen Joshi. So write down the answer for the second one, that is Bhimsen Joshi. लिखिए. Second is Bhimsen, BHIM, Bhim Sen, SEN Sen Joshi, JOSH. So second picture is of Bhimsen Joshi. Okay. Moving next to the third picture. So third picture is one of the very greatest classical singer in the Bollywood or in the music industry. So who is he? Not the Bollywood. He is one of the greatest classical singer in the music industry from the last era. So who is he? He is a well-known face. He is Pandit Jasraj. So he is a very well-known face. You must have heard about him. So he was a classical singer. So who is he? He is Pandit Jasraj. So let's write down his name. That is Pandit, P-A-N-D-I-T. That is Pandit Jasraj, J-A-S-R-A-J. That is Pandit Jasraj. Okay. Moving next to the fourth one. Okay, now look, let's pay too much attention toward the fourth picture. So who is he? So he is also one of the greatest singer of the bygone era. Bygone era means जो बीत चुका समय है, कि बीत चुकी सदी है, उसके जो greatest singer. So who is he? So he is also one of the greatest singer of the bygone era, and he is M. Bala Murali Krishna. So he is M. Bala Murali Krishna. So you can see his picture, and again this is a fourth picture that is given in your book, that he is M. Bala Murali Krishna. M. Bala Murali Krishna. So write down the answer for the fourth one. That is M. Bala, B-A-L-A, Bala Murali, M-U-R-A-L-I, M. Bala Murali Krishna, K-R-I-S-H-N-A. So the fourth picture is of M. Bala Murali Krishna. Moving next to the fifth one. So the fifth picture that is given in your book about one of the greatest singer is, so let's check out the fifth picture. So who is he? Okay, so he is Vasant Rao Deshpande. So the fifth picture is also one of the greatest singer of the bygone era. Who is he? देखिए बेटा, आपको पिक्चर्स बुक में भी, क्वेश्चन में भी, जब आपको एग्जाम में भी पिक्चर्स ऐसे आ सकती हैं. ओके, and you have to identify the personality and choose the correct option. So fifth picture is of one of the greatest singer of the bygone era. So who is he? He is Vasant Rao Deshpande. So the fifth picture is of Vasant Rao, V-A-S-A-N-T, Vasant Rao, R-A-O, Rao Deshpande, D-E-S-H-P-A-N-D-E. So he is Vasant Rao Deshpande. So these are the names of some of the greatest singers of the bygone era. For the first picture is of M.S. Subbulakshmi. Second picture is of Bhimsen Joshi. Third is Pandit Jasraj. Fourth is M. Bala Murali Krishna. And the fifth is Vasant Rao Deshpande. So these are the names of the first 5 singers. Pictures of the picture that is given in your book. ये first 5 pictures है बेटा, इनके ये names दिए हुए हैं in the serial order. So you can pause your videos here and write down the name of these great singers in your book. Okay, चलो. Moving next to the 6th singer. Okay, अब हम next जो singers बचे हैं, तो 9 singers की photo दी हुई है, 5 हमने किए हैं, 4 are still left. So now we are moving to the 6th singer. That is whose picture is given in the book. So 6th picture is of, okay, so he is also one of the very famous, he He has played a little. He had a great contribution in the music industry of Bollywood as well. So he's also one of the greatest singers of the bygone era. इनका जो बॉलीवुड में भी जो म्यूज़िक है उसमें बहुत बड़ा योगदान रहा है. सो हु इज़ ही इज़ मन्ना डे. इनके बहुत सारे सॉन्ग्स हैं जो बेटा दैट आर स्टिल फेमस दीज डेज एज वेल. So you can ask your mother and father, they'll tell you of the songs of Manna Day, some of the famous songs of Manna Day as well. So who is he? He is Manna Day. Okay, so write down the answer. The sixth picture is of Manna Day. Sixth picture किसकी है? Manna Day. M-A-N-N-A, Manna Day. D-E-Y-Day. So sixth picture is of Manna Day. Okay. Moving next to the seventh one. Okay, so seventh picture. Let's see let's pay attention towards the seventh picture. So who is he? Okay, so he is also one of the greatest ghazal singer. Okay, ये हमारे भारत के बहुत ही फेमस गज़ल सिंगर थे. Okay, and he is जगजीत सिंह. सो बहुत सारी गज़लें उनकी आज भी बहुत फेमस है, आज भी गाई जाती है बहुत सारे बॉलीवुड सॉन्ग्स में. हिज गज़ल्स आर स्टिल फेमस एंड ही इज़ वन ऑफ द वेरी वेल नोन गज़ल सिंगर ऑफ इंडिया. ओके, किंग ऑफ गज़ल्स इनको बोला जाता था. सो हु इज़ ही इज़ जगजीत सिंह. ओके, द पीपल हु लव गज़ल, हियरिंग गज़ल, दे जस्ट एडमायर जगजीत सिंह. ओके, सो हु इज़ ही इज़ जगजीत सिंह. So he has just died some years back. Okay, he is Jagjit, J-A-G-J-I-T. He is Jagjit Singh. Okay, he is Jagjit Singh. Moving next to the eighth picture that is given in the book. The eighth picture is also one of the greatest singer of the last era or the bygone era, बीत चुके समय के. So who is he? He is भूपेंद्र, इनका नाम मेरे को पूरा याद है, भूपेन हज़ारिका. So who is he? He is भूपेन हज़ारिका. So I think he is शायद पहाड़ी थे ये. Okay, so he is भूपेन हज़ारिका. So he is also one of the famous singer. Okay, and he has a lots of contribution in the music, the field of music as well. So who is he? He is Bhupen Hazarika. So write down his name, that is Bhupen Hazarika. The eighth picture is of Bhupen, B-H-U-P-E-N-E is Bhupen Hazarika. H-A-Z-A-R-I-K-A. He is Bhupen Hazarika. Moving next to the ninth, the last picture of the greatest singer is given here. So इनके songs आज भी बहुत famous हैं. Okay, so who is he? He is Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. Who is he? He is Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. मतलब आज के ज़माने में भी बेटा इनके बहुत सारे जो बॉलीवुड मूवीज़ में इनके सॉन्ग्स आपने सुने होंगे, आज स्टिल दे आर फेमस. आज की जो मूवीज़ है लेटेस्ट मूवीज़ में उनको रीमिक्स करके या थोड़ा सा इनोवेट करके दे आर स्टिल बीइंग यूज्ड. ओके, सो हु इज़ ही? ही इज़ नुसरत फ़तेह अली खान. लिखिए, द आंसर फॉर द नाइन्थ वन इज नुसरत, N-U-S-R-A-D, नुसरत फ़तेह, F-A-T-E-H, फ़तेह अली, A-L-I, फ़तेह अली खान, A-H-A-N, फ़तेह अली खान, नुसरत फ़तेह अली खान. Okay, so the ninth picture is of Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. Okay, so these are the name of the great singers whose pictures are given from 6 to 9. So 6th picture is of Manna Day, 7th picture is of Jagjit Singh, 8th picture is of Bhupen Hazarika, and the 9th picture is of Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan. So you can pause your videos here and note down in your notebook. Okay, चलिए. So this was from the topic that is golden voices of the bygone era. So still we are having some more time left. So I think let's do one more chapter. So one more topic from the GK book. So the next topic that we'll discuss now, that is given at page number 67. Okay, so that is the picture that is given at page number 67. Okay, that is classic characters. Okay, so all of you open your books at page number 67, that is classic characters. So I am just writing the topic here, changing the topic here, that is classic characters. Let's change the topic. Okay, that is classic CLASSIC, that is classic characters. That is classic characters, and this is given at page number 67. Okay, classic characters. Now what is the topic about classic characters? देखिए आपको पता है, अभी देखिए हमने म्यूज़िक इंडस्ट्री की म्यूज़िक फील्ड में जो अलग अलग सिंगर्स हैं, ग्रेट सिंगर्स रहे हैं या आज भी हैं, कुछ उनके बारे में बात की. सो नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सम ऑफ द ग्रेट एक्टर्स, दोज हु हैव प्लेड सर्टेन रोल्स दैट दे बिकम द क्लासिक कैरेक्टर्स. कि मतलब वो जो फेमस जो उन्होंने कैरेक्टर्स जो निभाए हैं, वो जो कि जिसमें कि मतलब दे हैव बीन नोन फॉर दैट कैरेक्टर, उनको उस कैरेक्टर से पहचान मिली कि दे हैव बीन नोन फॉर प्लेइंग सच कैरेक्टर. सो डेफिनेटली कुछ उन्होंने जब उस कैरेक्टर को प्ले किया, जब वो रोल प्ले किया, सो दैट मीन्स उन्होंने कुछ नेचुरल चीज़ रिप्रेजेंट की थी. सो देखता जिसकी वजह से वो कैरेक्टर्स आज भी लोगों के जहन में जिंदा है. ओके, सो आई जस्ट गिव एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द मूवी शोले. देखिए, तो शोले मूवी में बहुत सारे ऐसे कैरेक्टर्स हैं, जैसे हमारे ठाकुर, गब्बर सिंह ना, ठाकुर तो इतने जैसे गब्बर सिंह का जो अपने जो कैरेक्टर है, ओके, जिन्होंने वो परफॉर्म किया था, आई थिंक उनका नाम था अमजद खान. ओके, सो द एक्टर नेम वॉज अमजद खान हु हैज़ परफॉर्म दैट रोल ऑफ गब्बर सिंह इन द मूवी शोले. बट नाउ अगर कभी भी हम उनकी पिक्चर देखते हैं, हम क्या कहते हैं, गब्बर सिंह की फ़ोटो. सो दैट मीन्स उस रोल ने, ओके, दैट रोल हैज़ गिवन हिम द आइडेंटिफिकेशन, दैट रोल हैज़ गिवन हैड मेड हिम नोन टू द ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. ओके, सो ऐसे ही बहुत सारे कैरेक्टर्स हैं बेटा that are being played by certain actors, and they have been known for playing such great characters. उन characters से उनको पहचान मिली. So in this topic we will talk about some of the characters that are being played by some of the great actors here. Some are of the Bollywood, some are of the Hollywood as well. So here it is given, draw the lines to match the actors with the characters they play. So at one side the name of the actors is given. Okay. So not the name, the pictures of the actors is given on the both sides. You can see these are the pictures of the actors are given here and there, and in between the names of the characters is given whichever played by them. So I mean actors को match करना है उनके character से जो कि उन्होंने play किया था. So we have to match the name of the actors with the role they have played. So here we'll start with the first one. So the first picture. So who is he? He is one of the very handsome man of the Hollywood industry. So who is he? He is Tom Cruise. He is Tom Cruise. So from the given characters, which of the characters has been played by the Tom Cruise? So Tom Cruise has played the role of Ethan Hunt. So he has played the role of Ethan Hunt in the movie Mission Impossible, which has brought a lot of fame to him. Okay, so Tom Cruise has played the role of Ethan Hunt in the movie Mission Impossible. So this was a classic character that has been played by Tom Cruise. So the answer for the first one is option number B, that is Ethan Hunt. The first picture किसकी है? Tom Cruise की picture दी. I can't draw the picture. So the first picture is of Tom Cruise and he has played the role of Ethan Hunt. the movie Mission Impossible, for which he has got so much name and fame all over the world. Second picture. So the second picture is one of the very famous Hollywood young actress of our Bollywood. तो हमारे भारत की एक बहुत ही young actress हैं. Who is she? She is Alia Bhatt. So the classic character played by her is Veera Tripathi. So she played the role of Veera Tripathi in the movie Highway. Okay, so in which she was kidnapped by Ranveer Hooda, that is playing some other character of a person, of a kidnapper. So that is a movie, okay, Highway movie, and she has played the character Veera Tripathi in the movie Highway, along with the co-actors Ranveer Hooda and others. Okay, so which character is being played by the Alia Bhatt? That is Veera Tripathi. That is option number H. So Alia Bhatt performed a classic character of Veera Tripathi. Okay, so she was a girl. Tripathi, P-A-T-H-I. She played the role of Veera Tripathi in the movie Highway, in which she learned. She was a very pampered child, but later on she was kidnapped by some kidnappers, and then she learns the lessons of life, that how the people around the world they are surviving. Okay, so this is all that she has learned there. Okay, so the name of the character played by the Alia Bhatt is Veera Tripathi. Clear? Check. Moving next to the third one. The third picture is one of the very famous actor of the Hollywood. Okay, third picture kiski hai? This is the third picture. So he is an actor, of famous actor of Hollywood. So what is his name? He is Heath Ledger. So he is a Heath Ledger from Australian. He is an Australian actor. Okay, and he has played the character of Joker in the movie The Dark Knight. The Dark Knight, आपने मूवी सुनी होगी, Dark Knight, the Batman की जो मूवी है, that is the name of the movie is The Dark Knight. Okay, in the movie The Dark Knight, Heath Ledger has played the role of the villain, okay, a very well-known villain. He is Joker, the Joker. Okay, and he has won various awards for that, for his marvelous role in the movie The Dark Knight. Okay, and what is the name of the character? That is the Joker. The Dark Knight movie बेटा जो Batman movie है, that is The Dark Knight. उसकी movie का नाम है The Dark Knight. Okay, so who the Heath Ledger has played the classic character, or one of the major role in the movie, that is the Joker or villain. Okay, so the answer for the third one is option number E, the Joker. The Joker, J-O-K-E-R, that is the Joker. Moving next to the fourth one. So the fourth picture is one of the very well-known actor of the Bollywood. So he is one of the very well-known actor of Bollywood. He is Sanjay Dutt. And Sanjay Dutt has played the role of Munna in the series of the movie Munna Bhai, MBBS, Munna Bhai, Lage Raho Munna Bhai, and various बहुत सारी movies हैं. Okay, so basically he has played the role of Munna, the classic character of Munna in the movie Munna Lage Raho Munna Bhai and Munna Bhai MBBS. Okay, it's a Rajiv Hirani's movie. So he has played the classic character of Munna. Okay, that is option number F. So fourth answer है, that is Munna. So Munna character is played by Sanjay Dutt in the movie Munna Bhai MBBS and Lage Raho Munna Bhai, along with one of his co-actor, a very famous role. जिनके co-actor थे Arshad Warsi. He also played a very unique character of Sir Kate in the movie Lage Raho Munna Bhai. Okay, moving next to the fifth one. The fifth picture is also one of the Mr. Perfectionist of the Bollywood. So he is known as Mr. Perfectionist of Bollywood. So who is he? He is Aamir Khan. So he has played a classic character of Rancho. Rancho means Ranchor Das Chamakdar Chanchar in the movie Three Idiots. So he has played a great role of a very well-known and very popular character of Rancho in the movie Three Idiots. Okay, and this movie is on a college life, that how children they overcome the problems of in the during the so how the people sorry how the children overcome the problem during that they face during their college life. Okay, so this is the movie. It basically depends upon the student life in college. Okay, and Amir Khan has played a very classic, a very popular role in the movie. That is Rancho. The complete name was Ranchordas Shamakdans Chachar. Okay, in the movie Three Idiots. So the fifth is, answer for the Amir Khan is option number D. That is Rancho. That is Rancho. R-A-N-C-H-O. That is Rancho. So these are the answers from 1 to 5. The first is Ethan Hunt. He has this plays the role of Tom Cruise. Second is Veera Tripathi. This role was played by Alia Bhatt in the movie Highway. Third is the Joker. This role is played by Heath Ledger in the movie The Dark Knight. The fourth is Munna. This role is played by Sanjay Dutt in the movie Lage Raho Munna Bhai and Munna Bhai MBBS. And the fifth is Rancho. This role is played by the Mr. Perfectionist of Bollywood. He is Amir Khan in the movie Three Idiots. Okay, chalo. Moving next to the sixth one. So now we are moving to the sixth picture that is given here. So sixth picture is one of my favorite Hollywood actors. So he's one of my favorite Hollywood actor. He is Johnny Depp. He is Johnny Depp, and he has played a very tremendous role of Jack Sparrow in the movies, in the series of movies that is the Pirates of the Caribbean Sea. Okay, and there are certain 5 parts of the Pirates of the Caribbean Sea, and he has played the role of Jack Sparrow all those 5 parts of the movie The Pirates of the Caribbean Sea. So the main character of the movie is the Jack Sparrow. Okay, and that character is played by Johnny Depp. Okay, so Johnny Depp has played the classic character of Jack Sparrow in all the parts of the series The Pirates of the Caribbean Sea. So the answer for the sixth one is option number C. That is Jack Sparrow. S-P-A-R-R-O-W. That is Jack Sparrow. Moving next to the seventh one. So seventh picture is one of the very well-known actor of the Bollywood. He is Salman Khan. So he is Salman Khan, and he has played a very classic character that named Chulbul Pandey in the movie Dabangg. In all the parts of movie Dabangg, there are 3 parts of movie Dabangg in which Salman Khan has played the role of Chulbul Pandey, an inspector. Okay, in all the 3 parts. So the answer for the 7th one is option number A. That is Chulbul Pandey. C-H-U-L-B-U-L. That is Chulbul Pandey. Moving next to the 8th one. The 8th picture is one of the well-known actor of the Hollywood. So he is a well-known actor of Hollywood. His name is Harrison Ford. Okay, and he has played the role of Indiana Jones in the movie Raiders of the Lost Ark. Okay, so he has played the very famous role of Indiana Jones in the movie Raiders of the Lost Ark. The answer for the 8th one is option number G. That is Indiana Jones. I-N-D-I-A-N-A. That is Indiana Jones. J-O-N-E-S. He has played the classic character of Indiana Jones in the movie The Raiders of the Ark. So these are the answers for the 6th, 7th and 8th. 6th is C, Jack Sparrow. 7th answer is option number 8, Chulbul Pandey, whereas the answer of the 8th one is option number G, that is Indiana Jones. Okay? So you can pause your videos here and note it down in your notebooks. Okay, so you have to do both the pages, page number 39 and page number 67 in your notebook. So in your books only. Okay, no need to do in the notebooks. Okay, class? So this was from my today's session. So with this, I'm just ending the session here only as well. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day.